How can we reduce the pollution? Today we will learn about pollution. What is pollution? Stinky stuff, trash, smoke, noise. Yes, all this. Now we will learn that how can we reduce the pollution. Do not mix the industrial waste into the water. Do not throw garbage into the water. Factories and industries should be shifted away from the cities. Domestic rubbish and other solid wastes should not be thrown into the streets or open places. Reduce cutting of trees and forests as they absorb carbon dioxide. Reduce the number of vehicles on roads which cause smoke. Many environmental groups and government are working to control pollution. Here is your chance to take care about world.